Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen where I'm going to be making a homemade chocolate frosty. Like you get at Wendy's. And it's only 3 ingredients. And I'm going to show you how to make it. The 3 ingredients you need is chocolate whole milk, some Cool Whip, and some condensed milk. Okay, it don't matter what brand of chocolate milk as long as it's the whole milk. You don't want the 1%. And I tried to find the Borden's Dutch chocolate, but I couldn't find it, so I just went ahead and got this Mayfield milk. Next is this Cool Whip, and I didn't realize it till after I got home. It was extra creamy. Uh, I'm sure it'll work well in the recipe. We'll see. And the Borden Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. Okay, let's go ahead and open up some Cool Whip. Okay. Yeah, I got it from the freezer. I didn't have it in the fridge, but oh, it's going to come out good. Maybe I should have put that on mixer thing on last, but it's okay. Okay. Then a half-gallon of chocolate milk. Go ahead and open that up. Pour that all in there. Okay. Then we're going to pop open this Eagle brand condensed milk. We're just going to pour this on in. Nice and thick. It's going to be sweet. Just try not to lose any ingredients. I haven't used this mixer in a long time. I wish I had a hand mixer. It might have been easier. I mean, I'm sure you can always whisk manually. but I want to use this machine. Well, this thing is making a big mess, so I just need to manual mix it. And that's why I like manual. So I'm just going to mix this by hand. So don't put it in one of these mixers, you know, like the KitchenAids or whatever. This is a Hamilton Beach, but I'm just going to mix this by hand. Yeah, you can tell this is my first time making a chocolate frosty. But you know what? You live and you learn. So I'm mixing it up after a few minutes. It's looking pretty good. I really thought I could mix it in there slow, but it didn't work. I had the cover on it, and I was going to attempt to mix it, and it just sloshed out a little bit. You didn't see it on video. I didn't have that film rolling. So now I'm going to get some of this liquid out and put them in a container so we can freeze it. Now I got the liquid where I'm able to twist that out of the machine. Now I'm just going to pour. I may need another one of these containers. So after you get them in some containers, you want to put them in the freezer for 4 hours, and you want to check them every hour and stir them up. Okay, after 1 hour, I took this out of the freezer. I'll pop the lid, and here's what it looks like in an hour. So we got 3 more times. So that's the first mix or stir. So we're going to put it back in the freezer. Well, it's almost been 4 hours since I made that homemade chocolate frosty. I put it in the freezer at 120, and I mixed it up at 220, 320, 420, and it's almost time at 520. It's about 10 more minutes, and it may be done or it may need another hour. But I've been busy in the kitchen. Yeah, I've been in here making some fry bread, making some more mess in the kitchen. But like they say, if you ain't making a mess, you ain't really cooking. And one day I may show you how to make the fry bread. I got a recipe. But today it's all about this homemade chocolate frosty. Frosty time. Open this up. Ooh, 4 hours later. And I'm not going to wait another hour. I'm just going to mix it up. And if it's more like a milkshake, I'm going to drink it as a milkshake because I'm ready. I've been waiting for 4 hours, not counting time I was mixing all this up, making it. So, instant happiness. Yeah, I hope this is going to be instant happiness. Okay, here we go. Let's pour some in my cup. Hopefully I won't spill it everywhere. I almost had a catastrophe earlier making this. But I corrected it before it got too messy in here. Okay, I'm going to have a spoon and a straw. Yep, I got a spoon and a straw. I'm going to sit on down here. Ooh, the sun's bright. Let's go ahead and turn this way a little bit. Well, have some of this homemade chocolate frosty. It took me half a day to make when I could just went up to Wendy's and got me a frosty. It wouldn't have been a few minutes. But we wanted to make it today. I got a big spoon of them. Wow. I want to say it's close. It's not exactly Wendy's, but it's similar. It's darn good. Wow. Only 3 ingredients. I had the Mayfield chocolate milk, the Eagle brand sweet condensed milk, and the Cool Whip. It's just you mix all of it up and you put it in the freezer, and it's like 4 hours. Every hour you gotta stir it up. Mm. Yep. Well, yeah, that's instant happiness. Let's try it like a shake. Wow, it's spoon or straw. Just slurp it all up. But y'all want some, you gotta make it, or if you ain't got time or want to mess your kitchen up, just go to Wendy's and get a Frosty. Thank you all for joining me today, and we'll see you later.